I'm getting ready to carve a new walking stick. This one's going to have a rattlesnake on the shaft with a fossilized dinosaur carved on top. I know it's going to be a real challenge, so I'm going to sculpt a clay model of the skull before I start. It'll help me avoid making mistakes while carving. I'm making this stick for a man who digs dinosaur fossils in the Hell Creek Formation of eastern Montana. The type of dinosaur I'm making is called a Dracorex. I had to do a lot of studying to figure out its shape. I've always been fascinated with fossils. It's amazing to me to think about all the different animals that the Lord created. They used to roam these parts and are now long gone. But their bones are still here, telling us a story of the past.
These are both pieces of petrified bone out here. Here's another little piece. Wonder what kind of critter that was. Just little pieces of it though. Yep, that's definitely a piece of petrified bone. I wish they weren't just all broken up. You could see what kind of better shapes they were. Right there. Here's the perforated marrow area, and it got a kind of a swooped in and a little bump. It almost reminds me of some kind of a neck vertebrae or something. That's the biggest chunk I've found so far. That there's a big knuckle bone of some kind. I don't know what kind. If anybody knows what kind of an animal this would be on, let me know in the comments. That's pretty neat. There's where it's all smoothed out, like where a finger knuckle would be. Here's where it's divoted in. We've got them on ours. And then it comes out, of course it's broke off, so I don't know what the rest of that would have looked like. But that's a heavy duty fossilized bone. Found it right there. There's a little horned toad. They're about the cutest little thing there ever was. They just have a nice little rough, dry skin. Their backs look almost like they got lichen growing on them. And little yellow spots there. This is the one that the lesser horned toad doesn't have as big a horns. But he's just as cute as anything I ever seen.
want the bones to look like they're still embedded in the dirt, so I went to my local fossil beds to do some studying.
This is the kind of dirt that the fossils come in around here.
This project took me several months to finish, and I had a lot of fun making it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.